Hi, this is an operational video of the Brig Ayd 40 kilogram in a Nissan Juke. So first thing to do is really position the scooter at a suitable location at the back of the car, i.e. here. Other things to make sure are that the parcel shelf is removed from the car. It clicks in there, but the hoist won't really work with the parcel shelf in place. The other thing is to fold the smaller portion of the back seat down. Then to enable you to use the hoist, you need to lift it up. This catch, that flat has to be parallel with the catch and it has to be engaged to make sure it's fully down. And then lift this arm up and make sure this is fully engaged as well. Then you swivel the hoist round manually and attach what we call the spreader bar to the scooter. Then you take your handset, which has got up and down, make sure the latch is in place, take up any slack on the rope. So I'm keeping tension on that all the time. You can stop it at any time. And at this point you want to sort of guide the scooter. If you're on a slope at all, it will tend to go in towards the bumper or away from it depending on what slope you're on. But the ideal place to load the scooter is on level ground. So just take it up till it's clear of the sill, and then you swivel the front of the scooter round and guide it in. You can use this handle here. And it just needs to be pushed through that small gap. It's a little bit tricky. If you want to make it easier, then you could fold the other seats down as well. And then just gently push it in and lower it down. So once you've lowered it into the car, take the tension the rope and bring it down so it's got lots of play. And then you can put the handset, it's got a magnet on the back of it, so you could put that there. And then at this point, so take hold of this, release the catch, leave it in that position, take the weight off that, that folds down, and then lower it into the boot behind the scooter. And that is it.